The Great Animal Kingdom Adventure. One day, in a magical forest called Bioland, a curious little girl found a golden globe. The book spoke. Welcome, Aisha. I am the Book of Animal Secrets. Today, I will take you on a journey through the animal world. And I will tell you how animals are classified. Aisha happily stepped inside the book and suddenly, whoosh! She arrives in a large forest where there are animals everywhere. Mammals. The first to greet him was Leo the lion. I am a mammal, the lion said loudly. We have hair or fur on our bodies and we feed our youngs with milk. Elephants, cats, dogs, and even humans are mammals. Birds. The birds in the sky above were chirping happily. One bird spoke. We birds have beaks and wings to fly. Most birds can fly, but some birds, like ostrich, don't. We all lay eggs. Then Aisha jumped into a clear river when Finn's fish were swimming. The fish said, we live in water. All fish breathe through gills, swim with fins, and have scale on our bodies. From the little goldfish to the big shark, we are all fish. Amphibians. Then Aisha landed on a lily pad where Frodo the frog was croaking. We are amphibians. We can live both on land and in water. I started life as a little tadpole, breathing through gills, but now I have lungs. Reptiles. Aisha saw a red snake crawling. The snake said, we are reptiles. We have scales on our bodies and most of us lay eggs. Some reptiles crawl and some, like crocodiles, live in water. We like the warmth of the sun. Insects. Finally, Aisha came to a garden and a bee started buzzing. We insects are the largest group. We have 6 legs, 3 body parts, and most of us have wings. Butterflies, ants, and bees are all my relatives. Then the golden book appeared and said, now you know, Aisha. Animals are divided into different groups such as mammal, birds, fish, amphibians, reptiles, and insects. Each group has its own unique identity. With a flash of light, Aisha was back at her home, the same magical book in her hand. She smiled and said, wow, the animal world is the most interesting family on earth. And from the day on, Aisha promised that she would always protect the animals and their homes.